Mother and daughter charged with murder. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Elizabeth police have charged two females with murder of Francois Vassell, a 23-year-old farmer from Roses Valley district in St. Elizabeth, following an incident on Monday, April the 1st. The accused are 24-year-old Amanda Stewart and 43-year-old Lisa Muir, both of Roses Valley district in St. Elizabeth. Stewart's mother, Muir, reportedly joined in an altercation with a machete in hand. The physical outcome was that Vassell sustained multiple wounds and was transported to hospital, where he later succumbed to his injuries. Stewart and Muir court date is to be finalized according to the police. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.